Welcome to Learn and Draw. I am Anup and let's start drawing. In this video, we will solve example 2 in projection of points. For more videos on engineering graphics, subscribe to the channel. Example 2. A point lies 30 mm in front of VP, 25 mm above HP, and 35 mm in front of the right profile plane. Draw its projections. To solve this problem, let's first draw an XY line of convenient length. Since the point lies in the first quadrant, VP should be written above the XY line and HP below the XY line. The point lies 30 mm in front of VP from the XY line. Let's mark a point which is at a distance of 30 mm and mark this point as A. So this will be the top view. Let's draw the projection up to the point at VP. Now let's mark another point at a distance of 25 mm above HP in the same line of the projection. So this is the point. So let's mark this point as A dash. This is our front view. Let's join the projection line and mark the dimensions. We have to draw the point which is at 35 mm in the right profile plane. So let's mark a point at a distance of 35 mm. We have to draw the right profile plane. Let's mark this as x1 and y1. So the distance, let's mark the dimension. Intersection of xy line and x1 y1 line, let's draw a 45-degree line. Draw the projection line at A dash up to the right profile plane. And also draw the projection line from the point A up to it reaches the 45-degree line, and again draw the line to meet the right profile plane. The intersection of these two lines will give the left side view. Mark the directions and all the dimensions. This completes the problem. Support me and encourage me to do more videos on engineering drawing by subscribing to the channel Learn and Draw.